So very good evening to all of you.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
Sir, excellent.
All fine?
Excellent.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
So take care. So let's start our session now.
Yes, sir.
So we are dealing with the
Yes.
topic. We are dealing with the topic that is
Trigonometry.
Trigonometry.
trigonometry. So just for a warm-up exercise, do you know about trigonometry? What is trigonometry?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Studying
please,
angles of right angle.
it is the measurement of
Angles of a right angle triangle.
Angles
Very
of right angle triangle.
really nice one. Somil,
Yes,
how
sir.
many trigonometric ratios we have?
6 trigonometric ratios.
Please name it.
Yes, sir. Sir, sine,
Yes, bache.
cosec, cos, sec, tan, and cot.
Okay. So Shreya, this is your turn now. Shreya. So what is the relation amongst the trigonometric ratios? Like sine theta is the ratio of?
So perpendicular upon hypotenuse.
Very good, bache. And cos theta? Cos theta, Shreya.
Theta is base upon hypotenuse.
Okay. And tan theta?
So tan theta.
Yes.
The tan theta is hypotenuse upon base.
But a tan theta, bache.
No, sir.
Tan theta. Just write the relation that is P VP over HHB and then specify. Yes, waiting for your response.
Perpendicular upon base.
Yes, absolutely right. That is perpendicular over base. Now, Iskan, the question is for you. Iskan,
Yes, sir.
the question is how we can break tan theta in terms of sine and cos.
The tan theta is equal to sine by cos theta.
Yes, bache, tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos of theta. Okay. So, Arnab, there is a question for you. Cot theta can be written as in terms of sine and cos. Arnab.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, sir.
Okay, per try. Per cot theta can be written as?
Sir, cos theta 1 sin theta.
Very good, beta. Good going. Really nice one. So this is the feedback of your previous class. That is up to the mark. Appreciable work. Now let's move to the another part, that is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. अच्छा, मैंने एक example cite किया था when we are dealing with the trigonometry with the real life situations. So कोई example आपको याद है जो हमने discuss किया
Yes,
था?
sir. Sir, for that,
For
Qutub
measuring the
Minar,
height of a building.
temple,
Minar,
height
okay,
of a building,
okay.
or the temple one.
Okay. अच्छा, मुझे बताओ फुटबॉल में किस किस का इंटरेस्ट है?
So मेरा
Sir, मेरा.
Very
मेरा.
good. अच्छा, कौन कौन से टूर्नामेंट्स में इंटरेस्ट रखते हो आप लोग?
Sir, what?
FIFA,
हाँ, yes, sir.
FIFA World Cup.
Very good. FIFA and
Sir,
अच्छा, अच्छा कोई पर्टिकुलर आपका फुटबॉल प्लेयर आपको नेम याद है?
Sir Ronaldo.
रोनाल्डो. वेरी गुड. एंड अनदर वन इज
Sir Messi.
Messi.
मेसी. अरे वाह बच्चे, इसमें भी मैथमेटिक्स यूज हो रही है इस गेम में भी. ओके, चलो इसका एक एग्जांपल साइड करते हैं. सपोज करिए हमारा एक जो फुटबॉलर है दैट इज मेसी. मेसी जो है वो सी पॉइंट पर है और ए पॉइंट जो है वो हमारा गोल पोस्ट है. ओके, और ये डिस्टेंस है, सपोज इट इज ऑफ x मीटर. अब आप मुझे बताइए, अच्छा आप लोग बैडमिंटन में भी इंटरेस्ट रखते हो, मुझे बताइए कुछ बच्चे.
Yes, sir.
बैडमिंटन में आपको पता होता है ना कि स्मैश हमें कब लेना है और हमें कब ड्रॉप करना है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
जब आप स्मैश लेते हो तब आपको ये भी पता होता है कि हमें इंटेंसिटी इसकी क्या रखनी है शटल की.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सिमिलरली बच्चे फुटबॉल में भी होगा कि वो किस एंगल से किक करे कि वो गोल पोस्ट पर क्या करे, जाके हिट करे.
Hit करे.
मींस सारा का सारा कैलकुलेशन इस पर्टिकुलर एंगल का है, दैट इज थीटा.
Sir पर player
अदरवाइज क्या होगा? स्कन जैसा प्लेयर तो क्या होगा? स्कन जैसा प्लेयर तो क्या कर देगा? बॉल कहाँ कर देगा भाई?
Sir, goal
Perfect, sir.
the goal
हाँ, वो
keeper
कहेगा
says.
कि मैंने तो आज लंच में एक रोटी ज्यादा खाई है एंड देन
सर पर सर एंगल सर प्लेयर कैसे मेजर करेगा?
अभी करेंगे बच्चे हम। और सोमिल जो है, सोमिल ट्राई करेगा तो ये, और अर्नब ट्राई करेगा तो वो कहेगा बॉल यहीं तक जाए। सो बच्चे मेरा कहना ये है कि ये सारा का सारा कैलकुलेशन जो है, जो गेम है, वो गेम आपका ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ सम स्पेसिफिक एंगल्स में कवर अप हो जाएगा। सो एक चीज क्लियर हुई कि रियल लाइफ में हमारी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री कहाँ यूज हो रही है,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सिमिलरली इन कंस्ट्रक्शंस आप लोग देखते हैं अपने घर के आगे एलिवेशंस बनता है, एलिवेशन बनाते हैं ना, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे से एलिवेशन बनते हैं। कोई हट टाइप बना रहा है, कोई कुछ बना रहा है, कोई कर्व दे रहा है। होटल रिजेंसी में जाते हो तो एंट्रेंस के टाइम पर ही उन्होंने देखो कैसा एक कर्व सा दिया हुआ है। तो वो सारा पर्टिकुलर जो है कंस्ट्रक्शन जो है वो डिपेंड करता है, दैट इज स्पेसिफिक एंगल्स ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। सो यही है मेरा आज का टॉपिक। इसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज की पर्टिकुलर एंगल पर वैल्यूज क्या होती हैं। मेरा टॉपिक समझ में आया बेटा, जिसको हम डील करने वाले हैं आज?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
कैसा लगा टॉपिक आपको अभी?
sir, बढ़िया।
Sir, बहुत अच्छा।
Interesting.
ओके बच्चे, सो पहले मैं एक रफ आपको एक टेबल बना के दे रहा हूँ एंड देन उसको हम वेरीफाई करेंगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक एंगल्स को। हम जो एंगल्स डिस्कस करेंगे इट इज 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री। We are dealing with with these types of angles, and we have trigonometric ratios like sine, then cos, then tan, then cot, then cosec, and the last one is sec. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now the question is, what is the value of sine 0 degree?
So 0.
बच्चे just hold. What is the value of sine 30 degree? What is the value of sine 45 degree? What is the value of sine 60 degree? And what about sine 90 degree? This is the problem now. So just I write here sine 0 is 0 degree. Sine 30 degree is equal to 1 over 2.
Excuse me, sir.
Just beta wait बच्चे, just wait. Sine 45 is 1 over root 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 over 2 and sine 90 is equal to 1. अब मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर कि ये वैल्यूज आई कैसे, और हम कैसे स्पेसिफाई करेंगे कि ये वैल्यूज यही वैल्यूज को होल्ड करते हैं। इसका अब आप बताइए बेटा क्या कह रहे हैं।
सर यही डाउट था सर, ऐसे करेंगे सर।
मुझे
now-
पता था ना आपकी बात, मुझे पता था कि आप
सर मेरे हिसाब से तो ऐसे होगा सर, उन्होंने पहले 45 डिग्री पे।
इसका अभी बच्चे थोड़ा सा मेरे को ना अभी एक्सप्लेन करने दो बच्चे, ठीक है? इनके लिए सबके लिए नया है ना टॉपिक। सो अब आइए जरा हम आते हैं कॉस पर, ठीक है? सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कॉस के लिए बहुत सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है, जो आपकी ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक अभी आपने टेबल फॉर्म करी है, इसका ऑर्डर चेंज कर दीजिए। ऑर्डर चेंज करने का मतलब क्या हुआ, जो लास्ट वन है उसको फर्स्ट प्लेस पर ले आइए, सेकंड लास्ट सेकंड प्लेस पर, थर्ड वन इज 1 over root 2, then 1 over 2, and then finally 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question, there is no
Yes,
response
sir.
from your side.
Sir, I got this.
Okay. Now, we just remember that tan theta can be written as sin theta over cos theta. Is it okay? Tan
Yes,
theta can
sir.
be written
Yes,
as
sir.
Yes, sir.
theta can be written as sin theta over cos theta. So tan theta is the ratio of sin over cos. So 0 over 1 is
No.
0
Zero.
over
0.
0. Very good, bache. Now 1 over 2 divided by root 3 over 2.
1 by root 3.
It is really nice one. It is 1 over root 3. Now 1 over root 2 divided by 1 over root 2.
1
One.
Okay.
One.
Now root 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2.
root 3.
Root 3.
Root
Is
3.
root 3. Now there is some confusion.
Not defined.
Not
That is
defined.
1 over 0.
Not defined.
1 over 0 is not defined. That is denoted by infinity. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
There is another question for you. What is the value of 0 over 1?
0.
0.
Yes.
0.
A 0.
Okay. Now come to the next trigonometric ratio, that is cot. So just change the order. Just change the order. Infinity is here, then root 3, then 1, then 1 over root 3, and then finally it is 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
these
yes.
nothing, sir, nothing.
Okay. Is there any relation between sine and cosec?
Sir, reciprocal.
Cosec is the reciprocal of?
Sine.
Sine.
Okay. Now the problem is related to the cosec. So in this case, just replace the values of sine. 0 का reciprocal क्या होगा? 0
Not defined.
Not
Not
defined.
Does
defined.
not
Okay,
exist.
it is infinity. 0 का 1 over 2 का reciprocal क्या होगा?
2.
2
Over 1.
Very nice. 1 over root 2 is,
Root 2.
root 2
and root 3 over 2 is,
2
over
over root 3
root
okay, and the reciprocal of 1 is
1.
1.
1.
really nice one, great. So next one is sec. So just change the order only. First you have to write 1, then you have to write 2 over root 3, then root 2, then 2, and then finally not defined. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So please note it down. Please note it down.
sir, noted.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, dear.
तो ये वैल्यूज कैसे निकाली होंगी?
बेटा अभी आ रहा हूँ नेक्स्ट स्टेप पर, थोड़ा सा आप वेट करोगे तो just note it down.
They're done.
Okay, it's fine. So let's move to the another part. Let's
Sir,
move.
done.
No response from Shreya side.
Yes, sir.
And I said done.
Okay. So now the question is, जिसके लिए हमारे स्कन जो है बहुत ज़्यादा क्या कर रहे हैं कि मुझे तो उसका वेरिफिकेशन चाहिए, ये आया कैसे? सो स्कन आपके लिए आ रहा हूँ, आपके टॉपिक पर आ रहा हूँ, जो आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट है. फॉर दिस फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ अ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. सो डू यू नो अबाउट इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल?
Yes,
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
all
Yes,
sides
sir.
are
All
equal.
sides are equal.
Very good, बच्चे. All sides are equal. So for the calculation, we consider the side as 2a units. 2a units. It is again 2a, and it is again 2a. As you told me that in equilateral triangle, all the three sides are of same measurement. And what about the angles?
All are 60 degrees.
all are 60
Very
degrees.
nice one, bache. All the angles are of 60 degree. Is it okay? Now the question
Yes.
is, find the values of all the trigonometric ratios in terms of 60 degree as well as of in terms of 30 degree. Means मैं इस फिगर की हेल्प से कितने trigonometric ratios होते हैं हमारे पास?
6.
6 trigonometric ratios की values find out करूंगा. सेम फिगर की हेल्प से मैं 30 डिग्री की वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करूंगा. ओके, फॉर दिस पर्पस आई जस्ट ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर.
Excuse me, sir.
यस बच्चे.
So why are we finding for 30 degrees?
So this is the question asked by the scan. How we find the value of sine 30 degree, cos 30 degree, tan 30 degree. This is just the verification बच्चे. This is just the verification कि values आई कैसे. ओके
Yes, sir.
श्रेया, ये values जो भी मैंने अभी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल लिया है ना बच्चे, अब आप कहोगे ना कि हम कैसे वेरीफाई करें कि sin 30 डिग्री यही values होती हैं,
Yes, sir.
sin 45 यही होता है, sin 60 यही होता है. आप मेरी बात पर ट्रस्ट मत करो. आप देखो क्या sin 60 डिग्री √3/2 होता है, क्या sin 30 डिग्री 1/2 होता है, क्या tan 30 1/√3 होता है. ओके, क्योंकि हमारे पास SD का क्या है, आइडेंटिफिकेशन, हमारा कोई भी रट्टाफिकेशन नहीं होता, हम कहाँ जाते हैं, डेप्थ में जाते हैं, ये हुआ कैसे, मैथ्स भी तो यही है ना। सो
Yes, sir.
ओके श्रेया,
Yes,
यहाँ
sir.
तक बात समझ में आ गई।
Yes, sir.
श्रेया, आपने बच्चे उसमें ज्योमेट्री में एक आपने प्रॉपर्टी बच्चे आपने यूज करी होगी in case of equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle. When we draw a perpendicular, so what is the role of the perpendicular in equilateral triangle or in isosceles triangle? What is the role of this perpendicular? What is the role of this perpendicular? Any one of you?
सर 2a वाली साइड को सर 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देगा।
उसका बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है आपका। It bisect the sides. It bisect the sides. So मेरे पास whole side है 2a. So bisect करने पर मेरे पास पार्ट क्या आ जाएगा? It is a. Okay?
यस सर।
Is it
Yes, sir.
okay? Any confusion?
नो सर।
No,
Any one of you? Any one
No,
of
sir.
you? Okay. Now we consider triangle ADB. Now we consider triangle ADB. Kosha, is it okay?
yes, sir.
In triangle ADC, sorry. In triangle ADC. What is the missing part in triangle ADC?
सर AC,
AC तो
Sir,
given है.
DC.
सर DC सॉरी।
Sir,
DC. It is DC.
सर पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से निकाल।
Sir, D.
We will use Pythagoras.
So using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. With the help of the Pythagoras theorem, we find the third side. So Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
यस
So AC is 2A and AD is A and here it is CD square. It is okay now?
Yes, sir.
4
Yes, sir.
square minus A square is equal to CD square or CD square is equal to 3A square. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes.
यस सर।
So what is the value of CD is?
Root
Root
3A
three.
square.
Root 3 into A. So the value is root 3 into A. Is it okay now?
यस
Yes, sir.
So let's
Yes,
move
sir.
to the another part. Let's move to the another part. Kosha. It is sine 60. It is cosec of 60. Here it is cos of 60. Then sec of 60. And then tan 60 degree. And then cot of 60 degree. For this purpose, we write PBP over HHB. What is the abbreviation of this one? Yes, PBP over HHB. First ratio,
Perpendicular upon
Perpendicular base, perpendicular.
the first ratio is known as,
Perpendicular upon hypotenuse.
yes, that is perpendicular over hypotenuse, and this is the trigonometry ratio is equal to,
Sine.
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 it is sine. Another one is
Cos.
Base upon hypotenuse.
base over hypotenuse, that is cos, and
Cos.
then perpendicular over base.
Base.
Tan.
tan
Tan.
Tan.
So we know that the side opposite to the angle, the side opposite to the angle, it is side opposite to the angle, is always a,
perpendicular
Perpendicular.
yes, it is perpendicular. So this is base, and finally this is hypotenuse, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, so sine is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular is root 3a and hypotenuse is 2a. A and a will be cancelled out. So the value of sine 60 is root 3 over 2. Okay, just
Yes,
check,
sir.
just check here. Sine, and here it is 60. and sine 60 is √3/2. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So sine 60 is √3/2. Okay. Now the next one is cosec 60. So is there any relation between cosec and sine?
So
Sir,
1 by
cosec is
sine.
reciprocal of sine.
Yes. So the reciprocal of √3/2 is 2/√3. So the value of cosec 60 is 2/√3. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's move to cos 60, and cos is base over hypotenuse. Cos is base over hypotenuse. What about base? What about base?
A.
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 And what about hypotenuse?
2a.
2a.
Very good. So it is A over 2A. So it is 1
1
over
over 2.
2.
1/2.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Shreya, there
Yes.
is a question for you. Is there any relation between sec and cos?
Yes, so sec is the reciprocal of cos.
So what is the reciprocal of 1/2?
That's 2.
That's 2. Really nice. So next one is tan 60. And what about 10? It is perpendicular over base. Arnav, the question is for you. Arnav. Arnav,
Sir, actually, sir, some noise is there, sir.
is there confusion? Is there any confusion?
No, sir, sir, noise, sir. 1 minute.
Okay, it doesn't matter. From Somil. Somil,
Yes, sir.
but it is 1060. 10
Yes,
means
sir.
10 means perpendicular over.
Perpendicular upon base.
So what is the value of perpendicular?
√3a.
Okay, and what is the value of base?
A.
Really nice. So the value of 1060 is √3. Value of 1060 is √3. And is there any relation between cot and tan?
Yes, sir. Cot is
Yes, sir.
reciprocal of tan.
So it is 1 over √3. Is there any doubt?
No,
Is
sir.
there any
No,
doubt?
sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, बच्चे.
सर आपने सर 60 डिग्री पे तो सर निकाल लिए सारे सर, पर अगर 0 डिग्री हो तो सर कैसे निकालेंगे?
उसका बेटे थोड़ा सा ना पेशेंस रखना चाहिए, है ना? क्योंकि अभी मैंने आपसे कहा ना कि मैं 1 by 1 अभी डिस्कस करूंगा सारी चीजें,
ओके सर.
है ना? अभी मैंने आपसे क्या कहा कि अभी हम किसको डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? 60 डिग्री, देन 30 डिग्री, फिर हम आपके क्वेश्चंस पर आ जाएंगे. ये भी तो आपकी क्वेरी थी. ओके, सो अब मैं आता हूँ 30 डिग्री पर सेम फिगर की हेल्प से. चलो आप मेरी हेल्प करेंगे. ये 90 डिग्री है बच्चे एंड ये 60 डिग्री है. अब आप मुझे बताइए कि ये एंगल कितना होगा?
सर 30 डिग्री.
30 degree.
30 डिग्री. इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
तो ये हमारे पास है 30 डिग्री. अब जैसे ही ये 30 डिग्री हुआ तो हमारी फिगर में एक चेंज आया. बताइए क्या चेंज आया?
Sir,
सर जो परपेंडिकुलर
and
था
base
वो
will be
बेस हो
changed.
गया.
Base change.
मैं अब एक फिगर और ले लो यदि इसमें प्रॉब्लम हो रही हो तो,
Yes, sir.
यस
है ना? क्योंकि इसमें मुझे लग रहा है कि आपके लिए थोड़ा सा इजी नहीं है. सो हमने करा क्या था बच्चे, एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. हमने लिया था इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. इट इज ए बी एंड सी, और यहाँ हमने लिया था एक परपेंडिकुलर दैट इज डी. ये एंगल हमारे पास है 60 डिग्री. होल साइड हमने क्या लिया था बच्चे? 2a, and when we draw the perpendicular then it is a, and here it is 2a, और पाइथागोरस थ्योरम की हेल्प से हमने फाइंड आउट करा था it is √3 into a. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And this angle is of
30 degree.
30 degree.
30 degree. How you find it?
Sir, by
Sir,
angle sum property.
perpendicular bisected the angle.
Sir, angle sum property.
That is CD is also the angle bisector. CD is also the angle bisector. Otherwise, you use angle sum property. The sum of three angles of trigonometry is
180 degree.
180
okay.
डिग्री.
180.
Okay. So let's move to the another part, another important part. Now we consider angle 30 degree, and there is a property. the side opposite to the angle, is always a,
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
yes. So this is now perpendicular. This is known as base, and this is known as hypotenuse. There is no change in the hypotenuse. Reason, we know that hypotenuse is the longest side. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
So let's move to the another part, that is sine 30 degree, cosec 30. It is cos 30, sec 30, and then tan 30, and then finally cot of 30. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For this purpose, we again remember PBP over HHP. So first we discuss about sine. So sine theta is equal to,
Perpendicular upon right.
perpendicular
so according
upon
to this figure, the value of perpendicular is
Sir, A.
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 A, and hypotenuse is,
2A.
2a,
A.
so it is
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2.
1 over 2.
1 over. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And the cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine. So the reciprocal of 1 over 2 is
2.
2.
2. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Now cos 30. Cos 30
Yes,
is base over hypotenuse.
Sir, root 3 over A.
Cos 30 is base over hypotenuse. So base is root 3
Root
into
3A.
A, and hypotenuse is 2A.
2.
So it is root 3 over. Now sec 30. Sec is the reciprocal of cos.
reciprocal.
2 over root
It is 2 over root 3. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now move to the tan 30. Tan is
Perpendicular.
B by B.
okay. So perpendicular is root 3
Root 3A.
A.
No, sir.
No.
Perpendicular
Sir,
is
no, sir. A by root 3A.
It is
A by root 3.
perpendicular. Perpendicular is A, and base is root 3A.
Root 3A.
So finally what we get? It is
1
1
by
1
root
by
3.
root 3.
And what about cot 30?
Reciprocal.
Root
Root
3.
3.
Sir, root 3.
So just check your answer. Just check your answer with the help of the trigonometric table.
So it's the same.
Yes,
The
sir. They're
same.
matching.
And now
Yes,
So-
sir.
concept clear hua?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Please note it down. Note it down. Yes. Is there any doubt?
No, sir. All clear.
Okay, thank you. Noted.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let's
Yes,
move to the another part. Let's move to the another part, that is of 45 degree. So what about the value of sine 45? Sine 45.
So we can make the
1
triangle
over
Sir,
root
1 over root 2.
Okay, but now there is a confusion. What type of triangle? What type
Isosceles.
of triangle?
Isosceles.
हमें चाहिए 45 तो मुझे यहाँ से नहीं मिल रहा. It means equilateral triangle तो नहीं चाहिए. Equilateral triangle की तो requirement नहीं है. So अब आप मुझे बताइए कि आपको कैसा triangle
Sir,
चाहिए?
isosceles.
Isosceles.
Very good, बच्चे. You must draw an isosceles right triangle. For this purpose, we draw the isosceles right triangle. Is it okay? Isosceles means in which the two sides are of same measurement. Okay? When two sides are of same measurement, then we know that the measurement of these two angles is of 45 degree. Is there any doubt?
No.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
So let us consider it is A units. It is Another one is A units. So how we find the third side?
So Pythagoras theorem.
By
Pythagoras
using
theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. That is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So it is A square plus A square. So it can be written as 2A square. So AC is equal to root 2 into A.
A.
So it is root 2 into A. So I think there is no need to find the value of sine 45 now. Just find the value of sine 45. Then it is cosec 45. Then cosec 45. Okay. Just find the value of this one. Now you have all the sides now. So value of sine 45 is, sine is,
1 over root.
it
One
is,
over root two.
it is sine means perpendicular over hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
So it is 1 over root 2 and the reciprocal of sine is,
Cosec.
so
Cosec.
it is cosec of 45 degree. Okay. Similarly, other trigonometric angles. Now, let's move to the another part. How we use these values in the particular question. So let's move.
Yes, sir.
Let's move. Okay. So the first question is for, it is sine 60 into cos of 30 plus cos of 60 into sine of 30 degree. Question is find the value of this one. Okay. So just open your notebook and write the value of sine 60. What is the value of sine 60?
Root 3 by 2.
Sir, root 3 over 2.
Root
Root
three
3
over
over. And what is the value of cos 30?
Root 3 over 2.
It is root 3 over 2. Okay, so what about cos 60?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
And what about sine 30?
1 by
1
2.
by 2.
Really nice. Now root 3 into root 3 is
3
3
and 2
by
into
4.
upon 4.
3
4.
by 4.
1 and here it is 4.
1 by 4.
Now 4 divided by 4
1.
divided by 4,
1.
that is 1. So the value of this question is equal to 1. Is
1.
there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So note it down.
Yes.
So noted.
Yes. So let's move to the another problem now. This is the problem now. Sine square 45 plus cos square 45 plus tan square 45 minus cos square 0 degree. So what is the value of sine 45?
1 by root 2.
So
1 by
here it is 1 over root 2 and here it is a square. So we put square here. Now let's move to the cos of 45.
1 by 2.
1
1 by
root
root 2.
1 by root 2.
Over root 2. Here it is square. Now 10 square 45.
1.
1.
It is 1. Here
1.
it is square. And what is the value of cos 0?
1.
1.
1. So it is 1 square. Okay. So 1 square and 1 square will be cancelled out. And here it is half plus half. What do you get?
So 1.
1.
Is 1. So the correct answer is 1. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
No confusion?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So बेटा क्या मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर आ सकता हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
sir, अब हम कर लेंगे sir.
Next question is, it is 2 cos 3 theta is equal to 1. Now the question is, find the value of theta. Question is entirely changed now. Find the value of theta. For this purpose, first we write cos 3 theta is equal to 1 over 2.
1/2.
1/.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Is there any value of 1 over 2 in terms of cos?
Yes, sir. 60 degrees.
So just replace the
Theta
value
की
of
value
1 over
20
2.
degrees.
Just replace the value of 1 over 2, that is cos 60 degree. Okay?
Yes.
It's okay. Now on comparing, here it is cos, here it is cos. So there is a provision of angles comparison. So 3 theta is equal to 60 degree. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So theta is equal to 20 degree. Theta is equal to 20 degree. Okay, it's fine.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I think there is a question for you also. Now the question is root 3 tan theta is equal to,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, in cos 3 theta are cos and theta in multiplication.
But this is the angle. This is the angle, whole angle, that is 3 theta.
सर मैंने आपको आंसर भेजा है.
Here it is 60 degree. So 3 theta is the angle and here it is 60 is the angle. So just compare the angles. Shreya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So here is the question, root 3 into tan theta is equal to 1, then find the value of theta.
का आंसर भेजा है मैंने आपको.
Shreya, the answer is up to the mark. Iskan, the answer is perfect. Abhinav, very good. And what about Somil and Kosha, Arnav?
Sir, I have sent you.
Parv, what do you write?
Yes, sir.
Bache, tan theta is equal to 1 over root 3. Is it okay?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Now tan theta is equal to, what is the value of 1 over root 3 in terms of tan?
Tan 30
30.
degree.
Tan 30 degree.
That is tan of 30 degrees. So just compare the angle, then theta is equal to 30 degree. Theta is equal to 30 degree. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So is there any confusion?
No, sir.
So let's move to the another question now. It is cos of x is equal to cos 60 into cos of 30 plus sin 60, and here it is sin of 30 degree. Is it okay? Now the question is find the value of x. For this purpose, first put the values. Cos 60 is,
Simplify.
cos 60 is,
So we can try, sir.
okay, fine.
मैंने आपको आंसर भेजा है.
Okay, just hold.
So is the answer 30?
According to you, the answer is 30.
सर
Yes.
60 आ रहा है मेरा तो.
Somil, just check your answer.
Sir, minus 30.
Someone just check your answer. Somil, your answer is up to the mark. Yes, Shreya, it is 30 degree.
यस सर मिस्टेक पता चल गई
इसका ये ना इतना भी जल्दी नहीं करना होता.
सर मैंने साइन